Okay. Hey everyone, Stephen Dunn here, founder of CORE Therapy and Pilates in Westlake Hills, Texas. With over 27 years of experience as a holistic physical therapist, I've guided many through the process of recovery after an auto accident. Today, let's explore a pivotal phase in the journey, stage 2 of treating auto accident injuries. In stage 2, we focus on restoring mobility, flexibility, and strength. After managing pain and inflammation in stage 1, it's time to rebuild your body's capabilities. This phase typically begins around the 7th visit and can extend through the 11th, depending on your progress. We aim to restore the range of motion in affected joints, improve flexibility in tight muscles and soft tissues, and gradually rebuild the strength needed for everyday activities. By the end of this stage, many patients experience significant improvements, often reporting about 70% of overall recovery. Our integrated approach combines physical therapy techniques like advanced manual therapy to address joint restrictions and soft tissue tightness. With clinical Pilates emphasizes controlled, precise movements that enhance flexibility, core stability, and strength in a safe and effective manner. Restoring mobility, flexibility, and strength is essential for preventing long-term limitations and recurring pain. By actively working to regain these physical capacities, we address underlying weaknesses and imbalances caused by the accident. If you're recovering from a car accident and ready to move beyond initial pain and inflammation, we're here to guide you through step 2 and beyond. Contact us at CORE Therapy and Pilates at 512-215-4227 to schedule an appointment and continue your journey towards a full and active recovery. Thanks for watching and take care.